I'm Emily Osterberg, founder of Baking Betty's here at the Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota, and we use Primera's new edible ink printer, Eddy, for printing all our logo cookies. Baking Betty's, I started it in California. I loved to bake growing up, and I would bring cookies to work, and I thought, hey, what a great idea. I should start a business doing cookies, even though I've never worked in food before. So I started doing wholesale and stuff like that, and I started out with one cookie flavor. Now we have 26 different flavors. And then I moved back to Minnesota a year ago and opened at the Mall of America, where we are today. So we were getting a ton of requests to do custom logo cookies, custom images on cookies. Prior to using the Eddy, we used these edible frosting sheets where you had to print individually, and you had to peel them off one by one. I was trying to, research different products and try different products to, find the best solution for us. With the Eddy, it just is a better quality product. It saves us a ton of time because you're actually printing right to the cookie. The turnaround time to package it's huge for us. It definitely helps that it's NSF certified because we're supposed to only use NSF certified products with food. It's very important that it's a stainless steel, a food grade printer. It's very easy to use, so you can just pop the cookies right onto the Eddy, take them off. It's easy to clean. It's just a very seamless process. It just prints, it looks like literally it just printed off of a printer. You would never be able to tell that this is, printed on an edible, with edible ink on a cookie. The quality of it is just so amazing. Recently we did a project for 800 of the logo cookies, and we used the Eddy for the first time with that large of a project, and it went super smooth. Such an amazing process. Every single cookie, all 800, looked exactly the same. The images were crisp and perfect. The Eddy has been amazing for us with these large orders. I feel like anybody could learn how to use the Eddy printer in a matter of a day. So it was very, very easy, seamless process. I think the biggest thing was just adjusting the cookie size and making sure you have the icing right. And once you got that down, I think it's pretty quick and easy. So it just creates an all-around better product for the customer and saves us a lot of time.